Hi, I'm Chris. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, and I'm an NSci 1T3 plus PUI. Within like the first 2 years, I think you get a lot of challenges thrown at you. So you really find a lot about yourself. I mean, between like Civ 102, like Aero 201, thesis, you really have the opportunity to do something new and like make it your own. But I think the classmates and the people who are also with you in your year and in other years and in the NSci program, they're really supportive and they're really awesome. So they definitely made NSci like really special. Well, the good thing about like engineering and U of T in general is that there's so many places and things you can do and things that you could get involved with. To list a few, School Night, which is the engineering, sketch comedy, musical review, that was a big part of my undergrad. And then there's also like the NSci Club, which is really awesome, the Engineering Athletic Association, Engineering Photography Club, Orientation Week, like Frosh Week is big, and Cannon Garden was fun as well. But pretty much like the community in itself, you'd be surprised at how many different interests that people have and how you can get involved, which is really fun. School Night was the big one, but you know, it's good to spread out and get a feel for everything during your time, because you have 4 or 5 years to get involved, so lots of time to try something new, I guess. Definitely to get involved. I think that's a really big one. And also to work hard. I mean, I think with NSci, I think the more you invest into it and the more you trust the program, like the more you can get out of it. And finally, I guess to just enjoy it. Just enjoy it. It's a fun 4 or 5 years. I liked it because it was cross-disciplinary. So you could really combine like engineering and life science and put them together and design these cool like medical devices. I remember back in like second year, between second and third year, when I had to make the decision, it was so hard because like you have so many different options, and there's some that are only like specific to NSci, like aero or like energy or finance. It was a tough decision, but I think as long as you decide on something that you like to do, it should be fine. Right now I'm doing grad school. I'm in the MIE. I'm working on a healthcare related project. The placement of defibrillators across the city. Pretty much I'm doing like optimization of these devices to kind of like improve quality of life and make sure we cover all of these cardiac arrests and stuff. So I remember one night, I think it was probably a night or two before the review, just like the whole hallway was just filled with all of these groups. And that's when you really get to see like the people as their true selves and how they work together and how they act when everyone's tired and stuff. And that was like probably like one memory that I'll cherish for a while because it was just so fun.
Man, I don't really cherish those moments.
I guess like final advice would be for incoming engineering science students is to just kind of be patient with yourself. I mean, it can be overwhelming at times. So there's no need to rush or trying to like go crazy. Just let yourself adapt and learn, and everything will be okay. And it's a good time, so just enjoy it.